How to integrate LiveChat with Dropbox. This helpful integration will allow you to share your Dropbox files with your visitors. If you tend to send some kind of materials or files to your visitors, you can save yourself a lot of time and send them straight from the chat window. Setting up to enable this function, go through the following steps. 1. Go to the Dropbox integration page. 2. Click on Install Application. 3. Finalize by selecting Install. From now on, you will be able to send all kind of files to your visitors via the chat window. Make sure that the Dropbox files you are sharing are named appropriately. Visitors shouldn't have to decipher weird names and guess what the particular file contains. Using the integration, to use the Dropbox integration, click on More during a chat with customer and select Share a file. If you are not already logged into Dropbox, you will have to sign in with your email and password. Next, you have to choose the file you want to share. Navigate to the file and click on Select. Your visitor will receive a link to the file you've selected.